Hello everybody, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Yerlin Eusebio Rodriguez. I am a student in IFODOSO, Luis Napoleon Núñez Molina Campo, and today I got speaking my school memories. When I was in 4th grade, I was always a student married. I still remember that time. I was very young and about 9 years old. It was all very nice. When I was 12, we went on the school trip to the boot fair. I had a lot of fun there. I bought some books. I wrote every book I saw caught my attention more. I was aware sorted bit books. I was aware a lot of literature. It is what a unique experience. When I was 7th grade, I applied for a children's writing competition. It was an experience that gave me a lot of knowledge, and although I did not win the competition at that time, it opened the door to a new dreams and goal. The experiences are good. We all love. They take you some time about life. You decide how you take it. When I was in high school, I participated in another anthology. There was a competition in which were the writer of that project. A student was willing to write a fascinating story and that we would make a book with our day's novel. We were very excited about the project in the and all our novels were accepted. We were recognized for our projects. The truth was it was a good start. We learned a lot. I was very happy to have Archer, that goal, and that is where. Remember, make me relieve that and have the certain to continue being who I was. I have many school memories that have shaped my character. Remembering is living. Make your use memory or live. See you later. Bye bye.